we supposed to do?
We're going to the doctor.
To
Huh?
do what?
What?
Yeah.
We were both getting the shot. We're both getting the shot.
Buang ka din? No, AJ is just joking. Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, boys and girls of YouTube. Magsusundo ng dalawa kong anak sa school. Ano pala ngayon, 11:55 AM. Kailangan masundo ko na sila doon na wala pang 1. Dahil meron silang doctor's appointment today at 2 PM. Gahan ko na yung pag-alis kasi papagas pa ako. So nahan. Silang doctor's appointment today. Yung panganay at saka yung bunso. Magkaiba kasi yung school nila eh. Yung panganay nasa middle school na. And yung bunso nasa elementary pa. So unahin ko muna yung middle school kasi mas malayo yung middle school eh. It's about almost half an hour galing dito. O mga half an hour na nga. Tapos pabalik naman ako dito sa malapit sa amin, yung elementary naman, yung bunso. DJ is grade 7, si Pierre ay grade 1. From grade 6 to grade 8 nila dito is middle school. So hindi katulad nung nasa Canada kami hanggang yung elementary hanggang grade 8 na. Dito separate hanggang from grade 6 to grade 8 middle school na sila. Pag tapos mo ng grade 5 may graduation, magga-graduate ka papuntang middle school. Ito lang yung isa sa mga gawain ko dito. Aside of yung araw-araw na susunduin ko sila sa bus stop, na monitor ko yung mga appointment nila. Wala akong scheduler na doon ko sinusulat or dito sa phone. Tinatandaan ko lang yung nila. Tinatandaan ko lang yung mga dates at oras ng nila, yung mga appointment nila. Huli, hindi ako makalimot. What I said, na first ever nila na ma-check up ng doktor dito sa North Carolina. From Florida sila. Naghanap-hanap ako ng mga pedya. At ngayon lang sila na appointment sa doktor para i-check sila. Dala ko nga yung mga records nila, especially yung vaccination nila. Basta puro papel yung nandito. So ngayon, dadrive muna ako dyan sa unahan. Susunduin ko muna yung panganay, then yung bunso. Ayan guys, malapit na. Yan na yung school. Oak Grove Middle School. Dito yung entrance. So ito yung middle school. At doon naman yung Oak Grove High School. Sila lang. So pag nag-high school na yun si TJ, dyan na siya dyan na siya mag-aaral. Nasa tapat lang. Laging may pulis din dito guys na nagro-roving. Alam mo naman dito sa Amerika uso dito yung school shooting. Humihingi ako ng sticker dito sa anak ko dito sana yung sa school nila OG. Yung parang Grizzlies yung nila, yung school team. papatayin ko muna yung camera guys kasi hindi naman pwede mag-camera dun sa loob, of course. And yeah, magsa-sign out lang ako, then yeah, papalabasin nila na yung anak ko. What do you
Why am I
mean?
out again?
Oh, doctor's appointment.
Oh.
Oh, they're still having lunch?
They are. I don't know.
What time is your lunch?
I forgot.
No, what time is your lunch?
Oh, like 10:50.
You didn't eat?
I wanted to eat here.
Huh?
No, I wouldn't be.
You wanna eat later?
I didn't even get a chance to say bye to like a
To all your friends?
I'm gonna come back and eat tomorrow.
What do you think? we pick up here now. If he comes out from the office,
Oh yeah, we're picking up.
who's gonna go?
Oh, I feel bad for Chelsea. Can we pick her up?
No. Leave her there.
I forgot I was leaving early today.
Oh, you forgot?
Yeah.
Well, what were you doing when the teacher called you?
My friends, like 2 people, Nolan and Colby,
Yeah.
they were like, TJ, no. And then
Oh.
before I got called, like as soon they heard the phone, they looked at me and I was like, wait, what? I leave at 1. What time is it?
12:28.
Oh, I was like, I
Yeah.
thought I leave at
So I
1.
just decided to come here early.
Oh, okay. That's better. I didn't see Ethan though.
Why? Do you usually see him there?
I don't know where his class sits, but I know where Sophie and Cameron sits. It's like the exact one in that.
I would rather smell that one. Tangin na, umutot ang puchak.
Wait, what did you say?
You didn't understand what I said?
No. Wait, what kind of doctor's appointment is this?
A shot.
Again?
No,
Oh.
it's just like regular. Up here it's gonna worry.
I don't know what a
Cause
regular
is it gonna be a shot again? You know, the other day I was calling a dentist for Chelsea. Yeah, and when he heard it was a doctor,
Oh.
and I was calling a doctor, and when he heard it, he just like run away. I was like, what can you do what can you do if I call a doctor for you, even if you run away from me? It's nothing will happen to you. So scared. Oh, am I gonna get a shot? I'm like, it's for Chelsea. Guys, ito yung klaseng lugar yung madadaanan ko dito pag sinundo ko siya. It's a countryside. Yeah, ganito. Maliliit lang yung kalsada. So, hindi naman ako inabot ng half an hour kanina kahit hindi ako dumaan ng highway. Punta sa school nila, mga ano lang, 20 minutes lang pala. Galing sa amin, kahit hindi ako dumaan ng highway. Nagadaob, nagadaob din guys eh. Ha. Kitama no? Daob. Countryside talaga dito guys. Yeah, may mga lumang bahay, may mga bagong bahay. Yeah, so ngayon, papunta na kami doon sa may elementary school. Yeah, para sunduin yung bunso naman. Yeah, sigurado akong matutuwa yun. Pero hindi siya matutuwa sa pupuntahan namin kasi takot yun sa doktor eh. Yeah guys, nandito na kami sa guys, elementary school. Yeah, so sunduin na namin yung bunso. So hindi pwede yung video doon sa loob, so papatayin ko muna to. Mamaya na lang pag nakalabas na. Are you coming?
Yeah. I want to see if you're like
Alright guys, so Titignan namin kung anong reaction niya pag nakita niya kami. Hindi niya alam na susunduin namin siya ng maaga ngayon. What? Surprise!
Wait, what are you doing with? What are you supposed to do?
Huh?
Where's Chelsea?
I don't know. What are we supposed to do?
We're going to the doctor.
To
Huh?
do what?
What?
Do what?
Just chat with the doctor. Just chat with the doctor.
No, I don't want to go to the dentist.
No, not dentist, doctor.
What shot?
Only me.
Let's go.
But you,
Tinukso pa yung tinukso pa yung kapatid nila.
You were like that? You were like that in the line?
Yeah.
I want to see my
Yeah, because
Let's go.
we are the brothers. Dada,
Yeah.
I think my concourse is today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
We're both
My
getting
airplane
the shot. We're both getting the shot.
No, it's just go on, check up. Let's go, let's go. No, it's just go on here. Check up here. It's because it's your first time ever. You never had a doctor here in North Carolina, so
Oh, actually.
you're gonna meet your new doctor. So you're gonna have to tell your doctor, "Doctor, I'm here. I'm ready. I'm a beast. I just look skinny, but I'm a beast."
Okay, let's take the shot. Okay.
Buang ganda. No, I just joking. Let's go. What? Okay, come here. Love you. Why are you scared of the doctor, Bear? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. You introduce yourself to the doctor, and if the doctor asks you, like, tell me about yourself, little boy, just tell him, like, I'm here, doctor. My name is Pierre. I am named. My parents named me Pierre with a purpose. Because it sounds tough. And now you're crying.
Wait, how long is that?
Yeah. No, there's no shot. Eh. Jay is just joking. He just wants you to worry. Okay, let's go. We're still early though. I need to go to get gas. Yeah.
So if I can see,
The dash cam.
yeah, the one that's like.
Yeah. Can you fix your hair, man? You ready to see your doctor? Be, turn off your con, be. Turn off sa imong cellphone.
Get a shot.
Oh no, lagi. My gosh. I don't know, Pierre, actually. You might not or you might have. Oh, get the envelope, Jimmy. Katong na envelope, green envelope. So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa clinic. Yeah, so ito nga yung daddy job ko dito. Sundo at hatid sa school. And then punta sa mga appointments nila. And punta sa mga after school activities. Yun, then housework, gawaing bahay at iba pa. Hello. Four three three seven.
What's your date of birth?
108. Oh yeah. Ang cheap here. Here. I told you to enjoy your moment there, but you're not listening to me. Then you cry. Yeah, that's not a shot.
I was recording like a bit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Where? Oh. You were laughing the first few minutes.
She was yelling at the gun and she like,
Merong ano sila kanina. Nirecommend ng doctor hepatitis A shot at saka flu shot. Hindi nila in-expect. Yeah, ito lang yung takot kasi. Nung kaya nung sinabi na nga na pupunta dito sa doktor, alam na niya na ano, may takot na talaga siya sa doktor kasi alam baka nga merong injection. So ayun, yun lang naging araw namin ngayon, galing dito sa ano at pipick upin na namin yung ano, yung si Chelsea doon sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Kasi anong oras na? Yeah, 1 oras mahigit kami dito sa appointment namin. 2 p.m. yung appointment. Bago mag 2 p.m. nandito na kami. And ngayon 3:15 na ng hapon. So okay guys. That's another video, funny video of you, Pierre. Pierre!
with your
I want a shot. Oh my god.